Oh man, I need to remind my future self when editing to try and insert the video of freaking SpongeBob and Patrick and Mr. Krabs talking about panty raid.
I guess you're gonna miss the panty raid.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Nida. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have got a cute and fun one. We have got a Fashion Nova haul, specifically a Fashion Nova lingerie haul. Valentine's Day is around the corner, and I wanted to do one of these like a year or two ago, and I just didn't get around to it. So this year I was like, priorities. Talk about underwear. So yeah, I know Valentine's Day is a special time of year for a lot of people. Some people hate Valentine's Day. Me personally, I love Valentine's Day. Whether I have a man or I don't got a man, I've just genuinely loved the holiday from the beginning. Thankfully enough, I've been happy and blessed to spend the past almost 8, oh my god, this would be almost 8 Valentine's Days with the same person, and I love him very much. So he hates Valentine's Day. Devontae hates Valentine's Day for whatever reason. I don't know. I feel like people who have trouble with like being romantic don't like Valentine's Day. So for all of the people out there who are watching this video and you don't know what to do for your bae, you know, dinner is kind of meh, you know, you want to do something a little extra, this is for you. The goods. So Fashion Nova, as you guys know, is a popular clothing company. Their clothing is pretty okay. I mean, I will say a lot of the pieces I bought from Fashion Nova over the years have been pretty decent. I've mostly bought jeans. I recently just bought a dress to wear out for Valentine's Day. So that will be my first foray into that. But actually the dress came and it's actually really great quality. I'm trying to see if maybe I can have time to film like a full Valentine's Day like get ready with me, so that way you guys can see what I wore and all that jazz. But today I've got lingerie, and their lingerie isn't necessarily super expensive, and I would never say buy anything from Fashion Nova if you don't have a discount code, because why pay full price for Fashion Nova anything? Okay, yeah, let's keep that in mind. So today I've got, what is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items, and 3 of them are final sale. What the heck did I buy underwear wise that's not final sale, Fashion Nova? Okay, so everything I bought, this is a plus size haul because I am plus size. So I am sorry for the people out there who are not plus size watching this. They do carry all of these items in the straight sizes, which I will say that is something that I do kind of like about Fashion Nova, is a lot of the items that they carry in the straight size, they do carry it in the plus size, which is nice because, you know, plus size people like to wear like shit that y'all straight size girls wear, you know, we like that shit too, it's cute. But all of these items are dual purpose in terms of straight size and plus size. Their plus size items go all the way up to a 4X. 2 of these items are like that weird one size and another size, like 2 of these items are like a 3X, 4X, and I don't know exactly my size specifically in Fashion Nova. Like, I know in some things I can fit like a size 18 in jeans or a size 20 depending upon the jean fabric or the style of jean. I'm also like a 1X or like extra large in tops depending upon the top. Whereas in like Forever 21, I'm like a large, extra large in tops. You know what I mean? I'll only buy like a 1X or a 2X in a top depending upon the fabric. In jeans in Forever 21, I fit like a 16 or an 18. So it's not like a huge size variation, but it is a little like, what do we do here? The only place I've ever bought lingerie from, oh my god, the only 2 places. One time I bought lingerie from Burlington Coat Factory. Yeah, that was quite awkward, standing in line with my little negligee. That was awkward. And then I bought from Forever 21, and I've had a lot of luck from Forever 21. A lot of their items are really, really, really cute. So I have a couple different items here. I got some more like, I got like 2 items that are like super, super sexy, and then like 2 items that are more, that can be multi-purpose between wearing it for the night in as well as the night out. And I've got 1 item that's more for the more comfy people that are like, you know, I just want to be comfy. We're just Amazon Prime and chilling. We're you know, nothing serious is happening, just we're hanging. So I got a little something for everybody. So I'm going to, somewhere on the screen here, also put like a picture, or yeah, it's probably a picture of the item from the website with it on the model, and then I'll show you guys the item. I will not be trying any of these things on, much to the displeasure of my boyfriend, who, when I first told him I was doing this video, he was like, hey girl, and I'm like, hey, slow your roll, fam. We ain't doing that over here. You ain't finna see my naked ass on the internet, all right? Let me tell you that right now. So we ain't there yet. We in the internet ain't there yet. So yeah, let's run through. I'm gonna run through the first two items, which are the same item, only in different colors, because I really thought these were like hella cute. And I just was like, I want to show you guys in both colors versus just one color. So this is the bow back booty tie lace panty. That is an awful name for this, but sure. It was I only have the sale prices for the coupon that I used. I used a 40% off coupon because they're having a sale right now, which is they hit like 40 million Instagram followers, so it's, the code is IG40. I'll put it in the description box, as well as the links to all these items. But yeah, but the sale price that I have here is $5.99. In the picture that I list on the side will probably have the original price, but sale price is $5.99. All right, and I'll show you guys in both colors. So all their products come packaged like this now. It used to be a little different. They used to not have like a label like this on it, but I guess it makes it easier. I got the size 3X, 4X because I didn't know what size to get, and the other size was 1X, 2X for plus size. Now my ass is huge, all right guys, and the last time you guys saw a full body anything of me was my Forever 21 haul. I'll link an eye above, but that was quite a while ago. My ass is huge, and I just didn't know for sure what would fit. And opening this up here, I think this actually might fit. I think this might actually be a good choice. I wear, for reference, I wear an underwear like from Penny's. I wear the Embrielle brand underwear in the size 2X. I wear 2X. Yeah, I wear 2X. And those fit a little bigger, but I mostly buy them a little bigger because they're just so damn comfortable. So I just prefer to be comfortable over anything. But here is the panty. It is lace, full lace in the front. Cute. This kind of looks like a bikini style, where it's not gonna be like a hipster. It's not gonna ride super low, but it's not gonna ride super high. It's got a little tiny like gold, like little, oh this is cute, a little gold like detail right here. It's got a little like stone on it. Now what drew me to these was the back, and the back is fully open and a little bow, and it's a thong, or actually no, it's it's assless. It's got no, so this is definitely, I feel like this is one of those, like you see it from the front and it's like, oh okay, you know, that's kind of cool, you know, whatever. And then you just hit the back, you just turn around and hit them with the back, and it's like, bow, ta-dow, watch out now. Like, it's, I love it. I think this is cute. I think this is mad cute. Now I'm looking at this and I'm holding it up. This actually looks really, really big. But like I said, I've got a big ass. So we'll see. We will see. This was one of the items that does not say final sale. And I'm very worried because I'm like, can people return this? Because that's weird. That's a little too much. That's weird. Super, super weird. And I'm also going to show you guys the black one. When I saw these, I was like, oh, these are mad cute. Like, I feel like this is definitely, if you're on a budget, this is a really good way to collect a lot of lingerie, or a lot of just like, you know, or buy something super cute for Valentine's Day or any day of the week or whatever. And yeah. So here's the black one, which is cute. I do prefer the red over the black, but I did want to show you guys options in case, like, say you're somebody who doesn't like the color red, or you're looking for something a little more subtle. I mean, then again, if you're wearing this, you're not really going for subtlety, but some people do like their basic blacks, and I can't get mad at that. So those were $5.99 a piece, and that was, oh no, the black one was $6. The red one was $5.99. I wonder what's the difference. They're both the same size. Maybe more people would want black. I don't know. But the next item is the Needs Attention Satin PJ set, which is was $13.79 and which was set final sale. This is more on like the chill side. You know, you guys went out, you're coming home, you know, nothing crazy is happening for the evening, or maybe you didn't go out. Maybe you stayed home to begin with and you just didn't feel like, you know, doing any extra anything. So this is in a size 2X. It is a set. It comes with a top and a bottom. And looking at this top, I'm like, this might be too big, but you know, hey. So it's got a little like lace trim. Oh, this might be too big. I might have bought too big a size. Of course. It's definitely like a cheap kind of satin. Like, this is not real satin. Like, this is like, you know those like satin scarves you get from the beauty supply store for like 99 cents or like a couple cents? Like, it's not real satin, but I appreciate you trying. So it has no stretch whatsoever, so I guess, you know, we'll see about that. And here are these shorts. I think the shorts should fit me. They have an elastic waistband and it's got a little lace trim on the bottom. These are connected, so I'm gonna pull those apart real quick. So yeah, but these are the shorts. Guys, I think these will fit me. I don't know. Like I said, I bought a size 2X. The last time I bought a two-piece anything from Fashion Nova, it was a short and a blazer. And it was such a beautiful set. And I was so excited to wear it for my birthday for a brunch or birthday brunch. And these shorts came and fit amazing. Those shorts look great on me. But the blazer was way too small because in Fashion Nova, if you have big arms, size up, which I didn't think about ahead of time. That was poor planning on my part. But yeah, so here is the top again. It's got some little adjustable straps. The straps are pretty skinny. Like I said, it does feel pretty cheap. But then again, when you're only paying $13 for it and the original price was probably like anywhere between $14 to $15, it's kind of like eh. I feel like this was a sale item already, and then they you know, they allow you to use a discount code for sale items. So looking at it now, it's not constructed poorly. Actually, it is constructed a little poorly. As someone who took fashion design in high school, I'm looking at this like I feel like if you were gonna wash this, definitely wash this on delicate. Delicate or hand wash, like for certain. Delicate or hand wash. So the next thing I've got is the Somebody to Love lace teddy in the color white. I bought this in a 2X as well. And I have a few of these lace teddies. I like to wear them with jeans and like a cardigan for my birthday like 2 years ago. Yeah, like 2 years ago. I did like a black one for my birthday last year. I did a black one, but I think they're very cute. It is a thong style, so you don't have to worry about like panty lines or anything like that. I did not realize this upon buying it, but it is a little see-through, so definitely if I were to wear this with like jeans, I would definitely be wearing some nipple covers. But since it is lingerie, you don't need to worry about that. You just free the nipple at that point. So it's got some stretchy straps and they are adjustable, which is great. This is the front. It's completely see-through in the front and the back. I'm just gonna show y'all the back. In Forever 21, I would wear a 2X in the same item. In the with the bodysuit, I would wear a 2X. In a regular bodysuit, I wear like a 1X, but for these like little lacy like ones, I wear like a 2X. So hopefully in Fashion Nova, I wear a 2X as well. This was another item that was final sale. I think it's very cute. It's pretty well stitched. I wouldn't be doing any super extraneous activity in this because it definitely probably will rip. It's not like, you know, Fashion Nova quality is like, like I already have got some fraying threads here. It's not too bad though, but you know, when you get it for pretty inexpensive, you know, 13 bucks, what are you expecting? So I'll also include a picture of this as well as the previous set. So, but this is really cute. I feel like this is definitely something that I plan on like wearing with like jeans. Like, high key, like, yes, because I actually really love these little lace bodysuits a lot. I think they're mad cute. And the last item I have here is the main dish teddy in leopard slash black. This was $13.79. The pajama set was also $13.79. Sorry, this is $15. The last thing I just showed you was $13.79. So this is $15. I saw this, and actually on the website it was styled with jeans. So I actually thought it was like really cute to show you the versatility, because a lot of people will buy something and just don't know how to style it, which I'm one of those people too, where I'll be like, oh my god, this is awesome, and I'll buy it, and then I'll get it home and be like, how am I supposed to wear this? So I fall victim to that as well. But oh, this is nice. This feels like really well constructed. The cup is see-through, but definitely if you're like dark skin or you want to wear nipple covers, you can. That's for certain. This is what it looks like. It's got some lace trim around the sides. It is a thong back as well. Not as thong as the white one, but more like a wider kind of thong. Less G-string and more like, I don't know how to describe those thongs that are like less thong-like. I don't know how to describe it. But it is definitely fuller on the back. My ass is huge, so this will become a thong in a minute. If you got a small ass, then this will definitely just be like a regular kind of panty type of back for you. Like, God, this is just the plight of people with big asses. I really think this is mad cute. Like, oof, I like this. This is hella cute. And such a, just a good price. Like, I think the original price was like 19 and change, 20 and change. There'll be a picture. But yeah, it's got, the one thing it's got that I don't typically gravitate towards with these tops is it has like a bra back with the hook and eye. And I don't know what it is about these I just don't like. Like, if you're trying to put this on for like a sexy night at home, you gotta ask somebody to help you like hook this, or you can do it the smart way and pull it up and turn it around, hook it, twist it back around, and then put your straps up. It has adjustable straps, and these straps are also very stretchy. I like that with these little lingerie type bodysuits that these straps are stretchy, because when you adjust it, it has some flex, so you don't feel like it's just yanking on your shoulders. It doesn't put a lot of pressure on your shoulders. So I actually really like that a lot. But it's very, very cute. It's got a little peephole detail here, a little keyhole detail. Well, it's a little bigger, it's a lot bigger than the key, but this is really cute. I feel like this feels a lot better constructed than the other one. The material is a little thicker, and it feels like more of a spandex material too. So I think this is mad cute. I feel like this has a lot more versatility than the other one, because it's not as see-through, but still definitely get some black nipple covers or something, so that way your chi-chis ain't just all out. Unless you're buying it for the intended purpose of your chi-chis being out. Then for that reason, definitely don't bother with the nipple cover, because girl. But yeah, those were all the items. I wanted to buy some more stuff, but I didn't really see anything else on the website that I'm like, yeah, I would want to wear for myself. And I didn't want to have to, like, listen, y'all, I got a regular 9 to 5. I work, I pay bills. Ain't nobody got time to be buying a bunch of lingerie that they're not going to end up wearing. These are things that I'm definitely going to try and wear. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the haul. I hope you guys have a very happy Valentine's Day, whether you got a man, you don't got a man, you got a girl, you don't got a girl, you're gender fluid, gender neutral, non-binary, whatever it is that you subscribe to. I hope you have a great day. But yeah, there will be links down below in the description box for all the items that I bought, and I'll also list down below some codes from like Honey or anything like that, so that way, you know, you guys can get some point off, because no one should be paying full price for Fashion Nova. Like, let's just be honest about that. No one should be paying full price for Fashion Nova. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the bell down below so that way you can always be notified whenever I upload. And I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye.